Hey there, my name is Ken from the Moneymakers Academy. This course is all about 11 side hustle ideas to make $500 per day from your phone. Now, does that sound promising? I'm a huge fan of earning money, and I think everyone should have a side hustle. Side hustling can allow you to earn that little bit of extra money that can help you achieve your financial goals faster, whether it's paying off student loans or saving for retirement. Now, for this course, my goal for you is to show you the best side hustles that you can start and why. Now, these are easy tips that I prepared for you. And if you want your side hustle to grow over time, you need to think about growth potential as well. Some of these jobs have no growth potential. Others, like starting a blog, have huge growth potential. Now, this is a really personal question about where you want your side gig to go. Some people might just want some extra money for Christmas, and other people may want to try and scale their side hustles into their full-time job. Now, there is no right or wrong answer here, but you should realize the future potential when you get started. And hopefully, this lesson will give you some good insights into what I think makes a good side hustle. Plus, this list of the best side hustles, it actually goes a long way to making things happen. And if you're still on the fence and want other ideas, you can check out on our different courses. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's head on to the table of contents. Now, on today's course outline on the 11 side hustle ideas to make $500 per day from your phone would be: the first side hustle idea we will be tackling is charge electric scooters. Now that sounds interesting. Next, we have side hustle idea number 2, be a field agent. Another idea would be user testing. And then we'll introduce you an idea about TaskRabbit. And then next idea is about pet sitting. And then we also have freelance food delivery. Another idea is rent your stuff. And then another side hustle idea is flipping and retail arbitrage. And then we'll head on over to the Uber and Lyft, which is actually a twist for everyone for today's course. And then another idea is the Airbnb experiences. And then lastly, we have start consulting. And then a bonus actually here is a side hustle idea. Now, that is a secret for now, and we'll head over that right after we discuss the 11 ideas. So, are you excited? Okay, let's proceed now. Start making money today with just a smartphone and internet connection. Now check out these 11 side hustles to get inspiration and get your first business started. Starting a side hustle is a great way to not only make extra income, though, but to gain business experience as well. With a smartphone and a little creativity, I bet you can start a side hustle today. No excuses. Okay, for first idea, we have here charge electric scooters. Electric scooters are the new cool way to get around town and the fastest growing startups in this space, which is the Bird and Lime. They both actually pay subcontractors around $3 to $5 to put scooters back in their charging stations. If you live in a major city, you've probably seen these scooters around. They're super popular. And the best part about this side hustle is that it's super simple, and you just need to collect the scooters and put them back in charging stations. It might take a bit of time, but if you're trying to do this all on foot, but you can still do it. But if you have a car, it will be more efficient. Now, a quick tip is the best time to search for scooters is actually around 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. because more of them will need charging at that point. And if you want to go to the extra mile, hire someone else to go collect the scooters for you and somehow split the money with them. Maybe you pay for the car or the gas and they do the rest. Or think about a way to write software, script, or code so you can actually optimize for maximum revenue. Electric scooters are a new and trendy way to get around cities like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Washington, D.C. They're not yet legal in New York City where I live, but they're all the rage out west, and where electric scooter startups like Bird and Lime are based. Now, I met a person which is the founder of Rideshare Guy blog and podcast, who has experimented with a number of side hustles, from driving for Uber and Lyft to delivering food for Postmates and DoorDash. And more recently, he's made extra cash by charging electric scooters. Now, the scooter sharing companies rely on an army of independent contractors to locate scooters that needs juice, charge them overnight, and release them the next morning before 7 a.m. Now, the gig here, or this type of side hustle, is not that complicated. And if you can charge your smartphone, you can charge a scooter.